The story, Warm Water is Good. Lena is a young woman. Lena lives in a small house. Lena likes to drink warm water. Every morning, Lena drinks warm water. She drinks from a cup. She drinks slowly. She feels calm. Warm water makes Lena happy. Warm water makes Lena healthy. Warm water makes Lena strong. One day, Lena thinks, warm water is good for me. She smiles and drinks more. Every afternoon, Lena drinks again. She drinks after lunch. She drinks after a walk. She drinks after reading. Lena feels fresh. Lena feels light. Lena feels good. She says, warm water helps my body. Warm water helps my mind. In the evening, Lena also drinks. She drinks after dinner. She drinks before bed. The room is quiet. The night is soft. Lena feels warm. Lena feels safe. Lena feels calm. She thinks warm water is easy. Warm water is free. Warm water is good for me. Lena talks to her friend Mia. She says, I like warm water. Warm water is healthy. Mia says, I drink cold soda. I eat too much sugar. Lena smiles. She says, try warm water. Next day, Mia drinks warm water. She drinks with Lena. She drinks in the morning. She drinks in the evening. Mia smiles. Mia laughs. Mia says, warm water is good. Warm water is nice. Now Lena and Mia drink every day. They drink in the morning. They drink in the afternoon. They drink in the evening. Warm water gives them health. Warm water gives them energy. Warm water gives them peace. Lena says, warm water is good for the body. Mia says, warm water is good for the mind. Together they say, warm water is good for life. So Lena drinks. Mia drinks. They drink today. They will drink tomorrow. Warm water is easy. Warm water is free. Warm water is healthy. Warm water is good.